How to solve the copyright infringement on the Telegram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve the copyright infringement on the Telegram app. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Telegram. After you open your Telegram and it is showing you the copyright infringement, then how can you solve the problem? For that you need to go to the setting option. Go back. After you go back to your setting, you will see a screen like this. Now tap on the very apps application where all the apps will be visible. Now on the top search bar, you need to search for the Telegram. Tap on it, scroll a little bit down and tap on the storage option. Clear all the data and clear all the cache from there. Go back, make sure you have remove permission if app is unused. Just make sure it is enabled and allow all the permissions from here. If you have allowed all the permissions and notification, then it's fine. But if it does not work, then go to the Google Play Store or App Store and uninstall this very application from your device and reinstall it again and log in again. After that, you can again allow all the permissions now and then your problem should be solved. That's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.